In the depths of the ocean, innovation is quietly at work every day. Octopuses are masterful creators, retooling their limbs for various tasks effortlessly. This biological inspiration drives technological advancements in adaptive 3D printing arms. Engineers are harnessing nature's designs, infusing flexibility and creativity into machines. The versatility of octopus limbs reveals possibilities beyond traditional manufacturing capabilities. As functional art, these designs foster creativity while challenging conventional boundaries. Innovation emerges when we look to nature's masters for technological inspiration. Let's embrace the wisdom of octopuses, leading us toward a sustainable future. Together, we can engineer a world where nature and technology exist in balance. Revolutionizing fabrication through nature's blueprints inspires endless possibilities for the future.